If you've ever struggled to make brown rice that comes out perfectly fluffy, not sticky or soggy, you're going to love this one. A number of years ago, I got this recipe from my mom. Brown rice is a little harder to cook, but this recipe has never failed me. And don't worry about writing anything down. I've made you a free printable recipe sheet. You can find it pinned in the comments and in the description below. Step 1. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. Then pour 1½ cups of brown rice into an 8-inch baking dish. Glass or ceramic works great. Step 2. In a small saucepan, bring 2½ cups of water to a rolling boil. 1 tablespoon butter and 1 teaspoon salt. Once it's bubbling, pour it right over your rice and give it a gentle stir. Step 3. Cover the dish tightly with foil. That's the secret to trapping the steam. Then bake it on the middle rack for 1 hour. Step 4. After an hour, take it out and remove the foil. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, then fluff it with a fork. You'll have beautiful, separate grains every single time. Tips. You can easily switch up the flavor by using chicken or vegetable broth instead of water. Homemade chicken broth is even better. Or stir in a little olive oil or butter after baking for a rich, silky finish. If your rice isn't quite tender enough, just cover and bake another 5 to 10 minutes. That's it! The easiest way to make perfectly cooked brown rice right in your oven. Be sure to grab your free printable recipe sheet. It is pinned in the comments and also linked in the description. If you try this, let me know in the comments how it turned out and what you served it with. Don't forget to like and share stress-free, simple, and healthy recipes. Most of all, be sure to subscribe to more real food, real life videos. See you at the next video.